So over here you can see that I have this particular audio clip right here, and if you want to work around with its volume, then what you can do is you can go around onto the volume section right here and decrease out its volume, and you can see the changes in the audio wave right here. And if you were to press the play button, you have a certain volume level that is being played. I can go around and increase the volume level on the fly as well. So I'm just going to go around and press the play button. And get that sweet audio spot. And when you're going around and working around with audio, you need to view out these and make sure that it is not touching the red bar right here, because that is when the sound starts to get distorted. So that is what you have. Apart from that, you can work around with fade in and fade out over here as well, or you can go around and increase and decrease in volume by using this line over here as well. So for the fade in, if I were to click and drag it out, then you can see in the beginning you get a bit of a fade in right here, just like this. You can also go around and utilize these dots for the fade in length. And similarly for the fade out as well, as you can see, there's the fade out that adds in a fade out at the end, which goes around and then changes around the audio volume at the end, as you can hear, and same for the beginning. So that is what you have, as you can hear. And that is how you can work around with the audio volume and fade inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.